Hi, welcome to our channel, dear viewers. In front of me TCL 10 Tab Max, and now I'll show you how to set up newbie share on this device. So, firstly, open Control Panel, find here newbie share, click and hold on it, wait a while, click Enable newbie share, change device name, you can change device visibility, for example everyone mode. You can change data usage mode, for example Wi-Fi only or Bluetooth only mode. And that's it. Now you can share and receive data using newbie share on your TCL Tab 10 Max. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.